Hey chicos, ¿qué pasa? What's up guys? Today we woke up to this. We are at Lake Pukaki and we're heading in north direction to Mount Cook. Now we had a refreshing bath here in the deep blue water. So let's get some breakfast and then let's go! Good morning everybody! So Tobi and I, we are on our way up the west coast. We're right now stopping at some waterfalls, then going to the Fox Glacier, to the Franz Joseph Glacier. We weren't able to get the shot we wanted to have, so it's a little disappointing for us, but that's life. We just went over the Arthur's and now we found ourselves to this waterfall. Pretty awesome, and now we are going to have a bath! What's up guys? Look at this amazing place. This place is stunning, it's just incredible. It's called Castle Hill. It's just stones in the nature. I don't know how to describe it better. 2 days ago, Tobi and I were rushing through this place, and so it was clear I had to come back. And today I've spent here the whole day with Olli. Hey chicos, ¿qué pasa? What's up guys? We are still in Christchurch. It's our last day in Christchurch. We've spent the last couple of days here. Yesterday I went with Olli to Castle Hill. Today we want to head in north direction. So then next update will be out of the north. See you there guys!